So let's quickly look at our new business opportunity called the Booster Split 2.0. Booster Split 2.0. Okay, I talked about split just now. That is how you earn Ultima. Now we have a Booster Split, Booster Shares 2.0. So let's move on. Now, quickly, most of us probably have gone into shareholdings venture before, buying Zenith Bank share, Coca-Cola shares, Dangote Cement shares, any of your favorite bank shares. And at the end of the day, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, so people bought different company entirely. That is not a bank. At the end of the day, 1, 2, 3 years, no income coming from it. Even when they share their dividend, which is the income that is shared to shareholders, distributed to shareholders, yours came in very tiny and totally worthless, right? Companies most times declare dividend yearly, right? Now, it makes it difficult. We have parents, we have uncles, aunties, mothers who have passed on waiting for dividend to be paid. They never got anything, and they've passed on. Wealth gone, money gone, right? Now, this company, with their wealth of knowledge, fintech knowledge, their products, they have ATM machines, POS machines, debit cards, and so many other online businesses. Their debit card, for example, I'm talking about the Ultima community now. Our debit card can convert Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT into Ghana's cedis, into Kenya shillings, into Naira, into Dirham. So when you are in Ghana, you will draw with the same card, withdraw, what's it called? Cedis. When you're in Kenya shillings, USD, in Nigeria, you withdraw Naira with the same card. Is what would I call it now? Multi-complicated system that actually has simplified income for everyone, earnings for everyone, usability for everyone. Now, this company, with a wealth of technical know-how, they have decided to flip the table around. Instead of people buying into shares and earning it yearly and earning mega income, they've created something mind-blowing, something very, very wowing, in the sense that you can be able to buy into the company shares to actually begin to earn dividend every 24 hours. As a matter of fact, with this Booster 2.0, you no longer need to buy. You just need to acquire Ultima and freeze it on your own personal wallet, and then you begin to earn income every 24 hours. So let's quickly read what is on the screen right now. You get your dividend reward every 24 hours compulsory. Your dividend comes in the currency of what? Ultima token, which is cryptocurrency, by the way. Your initial capital, which is the Ultima, is refunded back to you, frozen for 12 months. Frozen for 12 months. Now, I'm going to talk more about that in a jiffy, right? Now, your split, which is your booster, your shares, is transferable and sellable. As a matter of fact, it's listed on the exchange. If you're tired of receiving your dividend on a daily basis, you can just flip it for $1, right? Now, it is completely powered and controlled by the decentralized finance system on our blockchain, right? It is 100% safe and transparent for all. You can convert your Ultima to USDT, which is digital dollar, anytime, any day. So let's quickly look at details right now. Now, at the point of coming on board, buying the freezing system, which is the booster, you are prompted to insert your account number, which is your smart wallet address. The wallet has to be resident on your smartphone, right? And that your money that you're spending to acquire the freezing shares is refunded to you instantly at the point of purchase. 2, your refunded Ultima. Don't forget, you have to convert whatever currency you have to digital dollar, USDT, which is, by the way, a stable cryptocurrency. Use it to acquire Ultima. That is, you swap it for Ultima. Do you understand that? So that Ultima becomes the currency that we spend or use in this economy of Ultima community, right? Your refunded Ultima is frozen on your smart wallet for 12 months. While it is frozen, it reproduces more Ultima for you every 24 hours. How brilliant. Which you can store, refreeze manually for more Ultima reproduction, or exchange it for USDT, which is digital dollar, anytime, any day. After 12 months freezing period, your Ultima, which is your initial capital that you spent in buying that freezing shares split, is then unfrozen back to your wallet. You can use it or refreeze it for more income. So that Ultima is actually cash. You've converted, it's like you're changing Naira to dollar, Naira to shillings, or to dirham, to pounds. So you're changing Naira, what's it called? Cedis, shillings to Ultima, right? Or USD to Ultima. And once you have it in Ultima, you can use it to partake in our projects. All right. Now, your boost split, which is the share that you acquire, will be manual. You have to manually transfer it from your dashboard. You have your dashboard after a moment you register for free. You have your dashboard. The moment you purchase it, you now have the shares. Your fund, your capital is automatically sent back to you, right? Then the purchased shares has to be manually transferred to your wallet, and you have to manually freeze it as well. While it is frozen, it produces Ultima also for you alongside your refunded capital that is paying you every 24 hours. Okay. So your 12 months frozen capital Ultima, which you can store, refreeze manually for more Ultima reproduction, or better still, exchange it for dollar anytime, any day. It's something like Mondays or Tuesdays, Mondays or Sundays. Every day, anytime, you can convert your Ultima to dollars, USDT, anytime, any day, right? Now, your boot split shares will continue to pay you until you decide that your split, that your cash, that your boot split continues to pay you until you decide not to receive any further dividend or daily reward. What you do then, you can sell that your shares on the exchange. It's sellable on the exchange, right? So the boost split right now, just the payout, the full launch just began 1st of November, and today is 2nd. So you are on this call not by mistake. If there's a time you want to make money, you ever want to make money, you ever want to make the last quarter of your 2024 to 2025 count, it is now. This is a company that has been going through thick and thin. They'll be making progress, waxing stronger every year. And this is a system I'll call it poverty killer, if you understand how the system works. Now, you're going to become more wow at the end of this meeting tonight. Now, I said that the booster split, this is the shares that you acquired after you have frozen your shares, and it's paying you every day. Whenever you want to flip it, you can flip it back to cash. It's listed on coinstore.com, coinstore.com. You can go there, you see the current price of our shares. Now, okay, for those of us who want to get on board, I believe by the grace of God, you are getting inspired, and I believe your instinct is speaking to you, your God is speaking to you right now about this business already. So this is how to come on board if you want to do it yourself. But the leaders of the Ultima community are always there. Whenever you saw this video link, you can easily DM the admin there. The person will walk you through the process of coming on board. The person can also help you or guide you through Zoom. I do that a lot. People I've never met, people I don't know anywhere. So number one, you register on DeFiU website using an invitation link by whoever invited you to this meeting. And that person, that link, the moment you register, you are now recognized as someone who intending member of the community, right? You are recognized as an intending member of the community by the company, right? The moment you've done that, the next thing is to register and verify your account on any of the popular exchanges where your local currency can be converted to dollar. Don't forget, you need to convert your local currency to digital dollar, and then convert the digital dollar to Ultima and Smart. Now, we have the Bybit. You can register and verify your account with your valid ID on Bybit, on Gate, Those two are compulsory if you want. Then we have mexc, we have CoinW. Okay, you can DM us at the DM the admin on that group where you got this message at the end of this meeting and tell that person that, hey, I want to get on board. And if you're watching this from my YouTube channel, you can ask a question at the description section and tell the person, tell me that, hey, I've watched the video, I'm interested, I want to get on board. Now you go to Play Store and download, install your smart wallet. Smart wallet is that application upon which everything money-wise will be done, right? It's like Trust Wallet. Ours is called Smart Wallet. You have to follow the guide, have it installed and set up carefully, and save your private keys. Buy USDT, which is digital dollar, on Bybit or Gate using your local currency. Because on these two platforms, you can exchange your local currency for digital dollar and vice versa. Send your digital dollar. So you can just screen grab this while I move on, because we have other things to talk about right now. Although we are almost done. Screen grab this, screen grab this, screen grab this. All right. Also, how to cash out your money. Screen grab this. You can just screen grab this and save it, go through it later on, right? All right. So at this point, I need to go through now what I'm showing you right now. We have, these are our packages, the products, the booster split I just talked about now. For you to come on board after the registration, you have to go on the dashboard after registration. From there, you can buy it yourself or have any of the admins on those groups to attend to you, guiding you or helping you make the purchase yourself if you can trust them, right? And so we have the little package, we have the light, we have the air, we have the starter, we have the basic, we have the medium. The little is 220 euro, the light is 440, the air is 1,100, the starter is 2,200, we have basic 5,500, we have medium, and then we have plus 22,000, 55,000, 110,000, 220,000, 550,000, and 1.1 million, and so on. So for those of us who are in Nigeria, watching from Nigeria, you can just screen grab this right now. This is the Nigerian price. Screen grab it, and then you can chat me up later. I'll chat up the admin later that, hey, explain these prices to me. Furthermore, I want to come on board. Now, if you look at the column, the second to the last column on the right, the next to the last column is called smartcoin. The smartcoin, which is the gas fee, you see the prices there are uniform. So alongside buying your packages, you will need to buy at least $50 worth of smart. So the prices you see at the extreme end includes the smart coin. But if you already have smart coin, no need to bother about the smart coin price. You just look at the price at the first price at the extreme at the left after the package title, right? But if you don't have smart coin, look at the prices at the extreme right. Screen grab this. All right, for those of us who are in Ghana, screen grab this. And for those of us who are in Kenya, screen grab this. But if your country is not here, please DM the admin on that group. The person will guide you on how to come on board, right? It's simple, easy step, do. If you just need to follow guide. Everything in life requires protocol and procedure to succeed, right? All right, so at this point, I'm gonna have to move on to the next section, which has to do with, first of all, look at it right now before I move on to the next section. Booster promo. Now, if you choose to come on board between now and on the 8th of this month, 8th of November, you're going to be buying the booster split or buying the freezing split with 400% increase. From on the 9th, it becomes 380%. From on the 16th, it becomes 360%. From on the